Criteria for good quality seedlings. Seedlings are quicker to establish than seed nuts due to the developed root system. As they are more mature, they are less susceptible to stunting and transplanting shock. 6 to 8 months old with up to 8 leaves. The earlier the germination and growth, the better. Collar girth of 10 to 12 centimeters diameter. Early leaves splitting. Insect pest and disease free. Unsuitable seedlings. Thin and weak. Diseased. Overgrown. Damaged by ruminant. Bent. Pest infested. Excessive sunlight. Other unsuitable characteristics. Good agricultural practice check. Do routine checkup and inspection of all seedlings and seed nuts in your nursery. Coconuts have a productive lifespan of 40 to 50 years. It is critical to have the highest quality planting materials in order to avoid loss of effort, time, and finances.